Bonaire is an island that lies in the southern Caribbean Sea. It is surrounded by a fringing reef easily accessible for shore diving. Bonaire National Marine Park surrounds the island from high water line to 60 meters depth and has at least 54 official shore dive sites plus many unofficial sites. We have been using photo ID to track mainly green turtles for over 10 years. We perform informal transects near the reef crest at primarily 3 dive sites: Salt Pier, Margate Bay, and Chigogo off the southwestern shore of the island. In 2025, we performed over 125 transects for a total swimming distance of over 90 kilometers. It is important to note that the frequency of transects is critical. On recent consecutive day transects of Margate Bay, the first day 11 turtles were spotted, the next 3. Yearly, we take over 8,000 images of sea turtles. Our team consists of 1 diver and 1 snorkeler spotter. We track turtles using front left flippers using our technique published in Marine Turtle Newsletter 161. We use a modified affine scale invariant feature transform algorithm. The Marine Turtle Newsletter cover picture shows turtles SAF and SX. Both turtles have been tracked for over 5 years and each has been encountered over 80 times. We have found in practice that turtle flippers are flat enough in many poses to be useful for underwater non-contact sea turtle photo ID. Please refer to Marine Turtle Newsletter 161 for more details. Some examples. This is a match of Hank the Hawksbill with a web-sourced image and one of ours. The green lines show the corresponding matches. The technique will also work with non-ideal photos both in exposure and pose. This shows the interest points that were matched. Only a small patch was matched but still provided useful results. Turtles resting in coral or under ledges with part of their flipper obscured can also provide good matches. Compute power for our work is sourced from Microsoft Azure. What have we been able to accomplish? We have tracked well over 100 green turtles for more than a year, with 5 turtles tracked for over 6 years. Here is the turtle named FC before it was tagged. Note that with some experience, planning, and a cooperative turtle, we can get an image of both front flippers, both rear flippers, the top of head, and sometimes one side of the head. This picture is close to ideal for our matching program. The next picture shows the same turtle after being tagged on the second trailing edge scale. A picture taken after the tag pulled out. Turtle was tagged for a second time. This time the tag is on the third trailing edge scale. Here is a zoomed-in picture showing the detail of the tagged area. And finally, after the loss of the second tag, we tracked this turtle for over 5 years and 22 encounters using photo ID. In another instance, we helped extend the tracking of a hawksbill turtle by 13 years using photo ID. We saw this turtle in 2019 while it still had a readable tag. With modern digital cameras, tags can be imaged while the turtle is in motion underwater. Picture on the left is sourced from Facebook from a 2025 encounter with other citizen scientists. This table presents the details of the encounters with this turtle. It shows that citizen scientists extended the tracking of this turtle by 13 years for a total tracking time of over 19 years. As part of our work, we report turtles in trouble. Here a turtle is trailing fishing line. Hooked turtles. Turtle with a possible propeller strike. This turtle left one of our index sites and came back 2 years later with tumors. This turtle named Slash had a possible run-in with fishing gear, and we have monitored its recovery for almost 3 years. We have provided over 1,600 images for a sea turtle AI project. We also have the flexibility of adding turtle and trouble monitoring and points of interest to our transects. When stony coral tissue loss disease appeared on Bonaire, we were asked to monitor several pillar corals at our index sites. We also initially reported the disease at 2 dive sites. Citizen scientists can be a force multiplier in many scientific studies. Mahalo for your time and attention, and have a great symposium.